Brooke has a coin purse containing 8 quarters, 3 pennies, 4 dimes, and 5 nickels. 8 quarters, 3 pennies, 4 dimes, and 5 nickels. If Brooke randomly selects a coin and without replacing it, she selects another, what is the probability the first coin will be a dime and the second coin will be a nickel? So we need probability of a dime and probability of a nickel and multiply. Now, once she selects the dime, does she put it back? No. So that's going to affect your total for the probability of selecting a nickel. Now it won't affect your numerator because she's not selecting a nickel the first time. So find the probability of a dime, take that dime out, recount the total, find the probability of a nickel, and then multiply the two. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Francisco made 6 out of 15 penalty kicks last season. If Francisco kicked 25 penalty kicks this season, how many penalty kicks of the 25 can he expect to make? Expect is a key word. It must be highlighted or underlined. On one side of your proportion is your probability. On the other is x over 25. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Once you see the word expect, you have to set up a proportion. Number 15 says, Mrs. Martinez has 4 $1 bills, 6 $5 bills, and 2 $10 bills in her wallet. I'm going to make a list, because you know that helps me. 6 $5 bills and 2 $10 bills. Did I get it right? 4 $1 bills, 6 $5. Okay. If she pulls out one bill and gives it to her son, and then takes out another bill and gives it to her daughter, what is the likelihood Mrs. Martinez will have pulled out a $10 bill both times? So the first time, what's the probability she's going to get a $10 bill? 2 out of 12, right? Now, does she put that $10 bill back? She doesn't. She gives it to her son. And this is the part where you have to read carefully and like picture in your mind. She takes money out, she gives it away, so now this is 1. That's going to change your probability that she gives the $10 to her daughter. So, probability that she gives $10 to her son, take that $10 out. Probability she gives $10 to her daughter. I don't know why I put an equal sign there again. And then you are multiplying. Not a proportion, it's multiplication. Sorry. On Tuesday, Sophia baked a dozen cupcakes, and yes, you should write those number 12 above dozen. They're testing to see if you know what that means. On Tuesday, Sophia baked a dozen cupcakes, and on Wednesday, Sophia baked 2 dozen cupcakes. 4 of the cupcakes, on Tuesday, 4 of the cupcakes broke as she frosted them. Wednesday, 8 of the cupcakes broke as she frosted them. If she bakes 4 dozen cupcakes on Friday, how many cupcakes can Sophia expect to break while she is frosting them? Expect means you're going to set up a proportion. 4 dozen, that's your total that goes under X. Over here, you're going to have to do some calculating. 2 dozen is 2 times 12. So she baked 12 and 24 cupcakes. That's your total. she broke 4 and 8 cupcakes. That's how many she broke. The number she broke goes on top and the total goes on bottom. And of course, she's going to make 4 dozen, and that goes underneath X.